Okay, this is page 248, example 4. We're going to put that information into a pie graph. So here we go. Turn on your calculator, hit menu, menu, and we're in menu 2, which is stats. So menu 2, there we are there. I need to delete my previous stuff, so I just go delete all, F1. Okay, and I put those numbers in, 4, 5, 11 and 10. 4, 5, on drugs here, 4, 5, execute, 11, execute.
That's a 1.
Back up.
My tired or you tired?
Not reading the buttons. Okay, there's 4, 5, 11 and 10. Now, we scroll across here till we get graph, which is F1. I set it, it's on graph 1, which is fine. If I scroll down, the type of graph I want, in this case, is a pie graph, so I hit F4. I leave all them the same, so it's just exit. It was graph 1 I chose, so I just hit graph 1, and there it is there. Okay, if you want to know what's going on, this is obviously A, this is obviously B, this is C, this is D. Strangely enough, they match, or C does anyway. If you want to know how they work out the percentages, A was 4 out of 30, and that's a fraction. It's a fraction of 100, so I cancel those out. That's 40 over 3, which should be 13 and a third. And you just do the same for each of them. If they ask you the question, which one's the mode of the data, the mode is the most popular, and so the mode is that one there. C is the mode, because it's the most popular. There used to be a fashion magazine called Mode Magazine. I don't think it's around anymore, but it was just what the most popular was. Okay, so the last part of this question says, what is the percentage of students that scored a distinction or better? So this is the distinction. This is the high distinction. So that means they scored a distinction or a high distinction. So that's 13.3%. That means the threes just go on and on and on. Plus 16.6%. That means the sixes just go on and on and on. 13 plus 16 is 19. Those two add up to 1. So it's 20% scored that or better.
Those two add up to 9. So it's 19.9.
Oh, it add up to 30, sorry.
What?
13 and 16 add up to 29. These two add up to 1. So it's 30%.
Those two should add up to 9. 6 plus 3.
Sorry. It's 0.33333 and plus 0.666666. So it's just 0.99999. So it's close enough to 1.
Yeah.
In fractions, it was 1/3 plus 2/3. Okay, if you want to see some different graphs, just have a look. That was obviously a pie graph, so if I exit that and go set again, and I want a different graph, I scroll down to this one, and I have a look at what other graphs I can have. I can have a histogram. So let's go histogram, exit, graph 1. We start at 0, the width is 1. That's close enough. Let's go execute. And it's come out with those